Today I'm gonna show you ML automation using Tkinter, which is a second part of my previous video. So, how I have done it, let me tell you. So this is a model runner file which gonna run this every model which we have made for machine learning. So if I just open it and run it, so it will give me the different model. For clustering, we have k-means. For regression, linear, ridge, lasso. For classification, SVM and then MLP, decision tree. And for these two are for best classification or best regression. So what we have done in the code, let me show you. So what it's gonna do, we have created different button for k neighbors, k-means and everything in Tkinter, and we have provided the path of that particular model for KNC, which is this. So we have created the path and we have provided the path here. So let me, like, for k neighbors, suppose we are doing it for k neighbors. So it's gonna open the k neighbors file. Then what we're gonna select our data set, and we can see we got the column name. So if we these are in select text, we are giving our feature column, and in select Y we are giving our target column, which is species. And if we choose a neighbor, which is one, suppose the weight we are choosing is uniform and the algorithm is auto, split size is 0.2, and the values suppose I'm using values 2.3, 3.3, 1.4, 0.9. So if I press predict, what have we done now? Okay, sorry. So suppose it's my mistake. Let me change it. 0.9, 1.4. So if I predict, so as you can see, the train accuracy is 100%, which is 1. We have not multiplied it with 100, that's why it's showing 1. And test accuracy 1. And the type of model is very good model, like the difference between train accuracy and track accuracy is nil, almost nil. So that's why it's saying very good model. And the predicted value is irrespective. And if I want to get the graph, suppose I want to get the bar graph, so we can plot like this. This is our bar graph. Okay, we can save our bar graph also by this. Okay, and we have created one more thing, which is summary. If I click the summary, we will get a summary on our desktop. So let me show you. I think it should work. Yeah, so here is the summary. If you open with it notepad, yeah, so see, it's gonna tell us what we have used. We have used key neighbors classifier, and these are the feature column. Target column is species, hyperparameter initiated neighbor as 1, weight as uniform, algorithm as auto, train accuracy is 1, and the test accuracy is 0.93. The model is excellent, and these were the input, and the predicted output was isotosine. So if I show you the code of KNC, like how it's working. So we have imported Tkinter and everything. We have given the geometry of our GUI is 800 into 750. Here we have defined a function data which gonna fetch our column name for the data set which we are giving, and after that we're gonna, in x-axis we're gonna put the column name for feature, and for y-axis we're gonna put the target column name, and here we're gonna get the values of for in function getX we're gonna get the values for the one we have selected in our x-axis, and in get y we're gonna get the values of the column which we have selected in y-axis. This is our plot function. Basically, if you select scatter, it's gonna plot as scatter plot, line plot, so on. Inside model we have defined our key neighbors model, extreme wide grain test series, split size. So what is doing? Whatever split size we are giving, it's converting into float and giving it to the test size. Same like for neighbor, it's an int value, so we are giving it int neighbor.get. So what happens is when we are providing it inside a text box, so it's taking as a string. That's why we are converting it into int. So, and for that summary thing, we have done this. If the train accuracy minus test accuracy is this, then it's gonna say bad model. If the train accuracy is less than say 0.6 underfit, and so actually, yeah. So that's how we did it, and these are all the label and uh, your combo box and everything in list box. So that's the basic idea of our project, and that's how we did it. I hope you liked it. Thank you.